Welcome to the Middle East AI News Minute for Friday, August 11th, brought to you by Carrington Malin, Marketing for an AI-First World. The UAE government's unified digital platform, U.AE, has seen a surge in the use of its AI chat service since its launch in July. According to the TDRA, users have already made some 60,000 queries via the ChatGPT-powered bot, with a 98.5% satisfaction rating. Next, the US Navy is trialing the use of autonomous USVs, or uncrewed surface vessels, to escort ships through the busy Strait of Hormuz. The Navy has issued photos of a semi-autonomous L-3 Harris Arabian Fox USV, accompanying US Navy ships via the strait earlier this month. And lastly, Dubai's Museum of the Future, a hub of innovation and a catalyst for change, is hosting a series of future experts workshops this August. Sessions will delve into topics such as digital health, AI-designed medication, gaming, virtual reality, VR, and photography. These were today's top Middle East AI news stories, brought to you by Carrington Malin. See my weekly news digest for more stories and useful links. Thanks for listening.